I'm going to be replacing this pull chain light fixture. Always turn off the power to any circuit you're working on. A shock under the right conditions can be deadly. I'm going to test it with an electrical tester once I turn off the circuit breaker just to confirm that the power is off. Remove the light bulb and then remove your screws. I'm just going to double check my hot wire, and now I'm going to remove the wires from the screw terminals. This is the new pull chain light fixture. It doesn't have a grounding screw. Some pull chains will have a ground screw, some won't. And we're working in the Chicago area, so we don't have a ground wire. We have metal boxes connected to metal conduit, and that's our ground path all the way back to the service panel. In this case, we have one hot wire and one neutral wire. The hot wire is red. If you have conduit, the hot wire can be any colored wire except white or green. If you're working in an area with non-metallic cable, your hot wire is going to be black or red. The pull chain has one brass-colored screw terminal and one silver-colored screw terminal. You're going to connect your hot wire to the brass screw terminal, your neutral white wire to the silver-colored screw terminal. If you're looping the wire and putting that under your screw terminal, wrap it in a clockwise direction like this. As you tighten it down, it'll pull itself tight to the screw. If you wrap this counterclockwise, it could potentially push off. Tighten down your two wires. Most pull chains will have two areas on each side for the screw that holds it to the electrical box. Because this is a small diameter electrical box, I'm going to need to punch out this area for the screw on both sides. Sometimes it's easier to break through that covering on the ground. Now you can tuck the wires into the box and attach it with the screws. Put in a light bulb, attach your chain or string to the chain that's coming out of the pull chain, and then turn on the power. Now you can test the pull chain. If you're changing a pull chain in a closet, the new electrical code requires a covered fixture. So talk to your local electrical inspector for approved fixtures for your area.